I want to show you all in this video how you can grow your Instagram followers fast. You know how important that number is. People want to see high number of followers on your page before they can trust you. I don't know why it's like that, but they want to see thousands of followers on your Instagram page before they can trust to buy anything you're selling. So some of you are still struggling, you're still below 100, below 200, you're not getting those followers fast. I want to show you in this video how you can achieve that. Very important. So guys, before we go into it, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. My name is On Jumia, and here on this channel I create content around starting and growing a successful business online. I go in depth with importation, how to sell online, digital marketing, and everything around selling and making money from the online space. So if videos like this interest you, which I think it should, because why not, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, be a part of this family. So without any waste of time, let's dive straight onto the video. The easiest way for you to grow your Instagram followers fast is not for you to go and buy followers, because that's the mistake most of you are making. You go ahead and buy followers. Now those followers you buy, they are not people that are interested in what you sell on your page. Those followers you buy, they are not going to be engaging on your posts. They are not going to be liking, they are not going to be sharing, they are not going to be doing anything positive on your page. They are just there as numbers. And trust me, once the Instagram algorithm notice that you're getting loads of followers, but these followers are not reacting, they are not doing anything on your page, they know the AI is far intelligent than you think. They know that those are scam and bot followers. They will just shadow ban your page. So the best thing for you to do is get organic followers. And what is the best way for you to do that? You can achieve that seamlessly through running ads that are dedicated to bringing loads of followers. You all know that not all ads will bring you lots of followers. Hope you know that. Not all Instagram or Facebook ads will bring you followers. So let me show you the one that is specifically for increasing your followers, and at the same time it can equally bring you sales. It's going to be a practical video. I'm going to be sharing my phone screen either here or here. Wherever you see it, please ensure you follow through. Okay, so what I need you to do right now is go to your browser, preferably a Chrome browser, and then you type adsmanager.facebook.com. okay, adsmanager.facebook.com. It is loading, as you can see on my screen. Let's just wait for it to load. So I'm just going to increase this. As you can see, this is what our ads manager homepage looks like. What you need to do, remember we are running ads to gain what? Instagram followers. You're going to go ahead and click on the create button on the. Now this is very important. What is the objective of this ad? Again, if you've forgotten, our objective is for what? Followers. So we're going to go with the traffic campaign objective. That's the second one, right? Once you click on it, you go ahead and click on continue. Please note we are using traffic objective. Now once you click that, it will bring you to this interface where it says choose between the tailored web traffic campaign and the manual traffic campaign. Of course, we are going with the manual because we want to do some things ourselves, and then you click on what? Continue. Now from this interface, it will take us to the first stage of our ad. This is the first stage of our ad, which is the campaign stage, right? Now we are not doing anything much here. You can just go and name this campaign. I'm going to name it Instagram follow or IG follow campaign. This for IG follow campaign. Then you scroll down. You're not doing anything here. Just scroll down to where you see next. Can you see next at the bottom of your screen there? You click on it. This is the next stage, which is the ad set stage. Under the ad set stage, very important, you're going to pick your conversion. It says conversion location. Where do you want to drive traffic to? Is it to your website, to your app, message destination, or Instagram or Facebook? Remember, we are picking what? Instagram or Facebook, the second to the last there, first, second, third, or the fourth conversion location, which is Instagram or Facebook. Once you click down, you scroll down to where you see identity. Are you seeing this identity right here? Where do you want to send traffic to again? To your Instagram. So here we have both Instagram and Facebook checked. We are going to uncheck Facebook so that everything will be on what? On Instagram. So I'm going to uncheck that of Facebook page. Are you seeing it? I'm going to uncheck that of Facebook page. Everything now is on one. Everything now is on Instagram profile. That is where I want to drive traffic to. Follow me closely. Now you scroll down to your budget. What is the best budget for running this kind of ads? Remember, it's a traffic campaign, and for this campaign, your aim is to get what? Your objective is to get followers on your Instagram page. Now, the best budget based on my type of business. Remember, I told you all that my budget cannot be the same with your budget, but let me give you a level playing ground. As a small business owner, for this type of traffic campaign, you can do daily budget of 4,000 naira. Because with this 4,000 naira, trust me, you'll be able to get followers. And if your page is optimized, it will not just stop at you getting followers, you will also get loads of sales. This is a particular strategy that I've been using for years that many people will not tell you. So you go ahead and type 4,000. So here I have approximately 3,980. I'm just going to change it to 4,000 daily. This is 4,000 daily budget, okay, for this particular ad. If your business is much, your budget for advertisement is higher, you can equally do 5k, but for my business, I'm leaving it at 4,000 naira, which is like a level playing ground for everybody. Now I am not picking any end dates. I'm gonna leave this ad to run. When I'm okay with it, I can go put it up. Now we go down to where you see audience control. This part is so important. You have location, you have audience suggestion. Now I want you to click on what? Audience suggestion, which is optional. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will open up this interface for you where you have age, gender, detailed targeting, and all. Now remember again, you're running an Instagram follow ad. You want people to follow you. You are running a traffic campaign. For this type of ad, it is not advisable for you to streamline your audience. It is not advisable for you to pick just a few locations. No, that's not the best, and it will not give you the best result. Trust me on this. For this type of ad, which is the traffic ad, you want to leave everything broad. You want to run a broad ad. Remember, it is not specifically tailored for sales. It is for what? Bringing faces to your page. People that are likely to follow you based on what you're selling, based on the type of content you have on your page. You want to leave it broad. So for my age bracket now, I'm going to pick people that are likely to see what I sell and they can resonate and even buy it, right? I'm going to go with, for age, I will change this age bracket to, let's say, 23, and then this is 65. I'll change it to 50. I'll change it to 50. This is perfect for my business. Then gender. Now for gender, because of what I sell, I'm going to leave it at all gender. Why? Because I sell backpacks, laptop bags, handbags. Both male and female gender buy what I sell. So I am going to leave it on there as both gender. And the content I will use will actually suit both genders. I'm going to explain that later. Now for gender, I'm going to leave it the way it is. For detailed targeting, I'm not going to be doing anything with detailed targeting. Remember, I told you that I am leaving it broad. I'm not streamlining anything. So I will leave it the way it is so that it will get maximum what reach and maximum result. So going down, we move to where you see placement. Placement means where do you want Meta to place your ads, right? Do you want the ad to be placed on Facebook? Do you want the ad to be placed on audience network? Do you want this ad to be placed on Instagram? Because I am running an Instagram follow ad, I want this ad to be placed and for it to run on Instagram alone. I don't want it to run on Facebook. So under that advantage placement, you tap it and you see the edit button. I'll go with the manual placement. Are you seeing the manual placement there? Now from the manual placements, you can see that Facebook is turned on and then Instagram is turned on. I'm gonna uncheck Facebook. Reason, I want this to run on Instagram only so that I will get people that are likely to follow my Instagram page. I'm going to uncheck Facebook, and all I have checked here is Instagram. Can you see it? So now this ad will be shown, or it will be placed on my Instagram feed, my Instagram profile feed, my Instagram explore home, even Instagram stories, Instagram reels. This ad will be placed there. This is what I want exactly. So once you're done, you click on next to go to the next and final stage, which is the ad stage. The ad stage is where you go in with your creative. Ad stage is mainly for your creative, the text, the image or the video you're using to run your ad. Now under the ad stage, as you can see, we need to add our content, the content you're using to run this ad. You can see where it's written ad setup. You click on that drop down under create ad, and then you pick use existing post, because you want to use an existing post that you've already posted on your Instagram page. So before you start this whole process, you need to ensure that you already have a post or a video on your Instagram page that you want to use to run this ad. Do you understand me? That is where you can pick use existing posts. Now when you scroll down, you can see select post under add creative. These are different posts I have on my Instagram page right now. So I'm going to click on select post. Once I click on this select post right here, I will see all the posts I have on my page. I have several posts on my page, right? Now I can pick this particular post. I have a post that I have created specifically for this one ad. So once I pick the post, you just scroll down and click on what continue. After you're done picking the post you want to use, you're not doing anything much. You can just go ahead and click on publish. But before I publish, I want to ensure that I see the post or the video displayed here. Now let me explain something to you all very quickly when it comes to this type of ad. When it comes to ad for Instagram follows, you need to pay attention to the content you're using. The video, please ensure you're using a video that tells people what you sell ASAP, a video that highlights the problem that your product or your service is solving, a video that is clear, a video that has a call to action. If you're using the wrong kind of content to run this ads, trust me, you will not be seeing results. You will not be getting follows. Now for this type of ad, if I use the best content, I usually get up to 20 or more follows every single day. And guys, because of how I have structured that content, I don't just get follows, I get follows as well as sales. That is why most of the time I prefer running traffic campaign. Even when I want sales, I run traffic campaign, because with traffic campaign I'm getting follows and I am getting sales. But all of this is now tied down to the type of content that you are using to run this ad. If you don't know the type of content to use for each of your ad, that is why you need to rush right now and join my Instagram and Facebook ads training, a group training that is commencing from the 27th of this month, April 2026. It's going to be an intense group training where I'll be teaching you from scratch, from the baby level, how to run ads, the type of content. Practically, I will show you, because I am a business owner. I sell both physical product and digital product online, so I understand from both sides, both the physical product side and the digital product aspect, how to run ads that will bring results. So I want to pour into you. I want to teach you. As someone that is experienced as a digital marketer for over 6 years, let me hold you by the hand. This is the first time I'm doing group training on this. Trust me that it's going to be mind-blowing. So you don't have any reason whatsoever to miss this training. You're paying me just 15,000 naira instead of the regular 50k I charge people for personal training. You're giving me 15,000 naira. Trust that if after this training you feel you didn't get results from my class, request for a refund and I will be glad to refund you. Yeah, that is the assurance I'm giving you. So in all you do, don't miss out on this. My WhatsApp number is on the screen right now. Send a WhatsApp message, go register for this class, or you click the link you see down in the description of this video. Click on the title of this video. It will take you down to the description. There's a link there. Click on it and make payment. After payment, it will redirect you to our WhatsApp. Then you bring in your proof of payment and we'll add you to your own group. Don't miss out on this particular training. It is something that when you learn, you're going to impute the knowledge into your business, or you can even decide to monetize the skill. How to run Facebook and Instagram ad is a high income skill that will fetch you money in 2026. Sure, you don't want to miss. So go ahead right now, make your payment of 15k, sign up for this class. I can't wait to hold you all by the hand and show you how to thrive and sell more, get more followers with Facebook and Instagram ads. I love you.